Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yeah, the fourth and last puzzle in the puzzle page of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, February the 25th, 2023, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 4 stars Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the binary 10 by 10, and this will be my last puzzle for today, for this evening. The Tectonic. I do not know how many stars. It's not indicated, but this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. We will see what time in what time I will solve this puzzle. But this one will be number 6024. 024. And yeah, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here I see a single box. It's always a 1. Do we have here dual box? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here another dual box contains the 1 and 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box contains the 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and other numbers could be everywhere. Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. Here another same shape, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Mirrored, this one. Let me draw this box here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more? The T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 then. Okay. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 then. Alright, so that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, 4 figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 missing numbers in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there and the 4 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. To the 4. The other pair in this quadra box should be the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5. And this box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. I should be there. Yeah. Yeah. Let me think. 1, 2. No. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. I should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be... Oh, now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. It can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we already have a 1 here. So here can be 1. It's not the solution. Place the 1 there. 1 should be here. Okay. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. This box can be a 4. And this box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Well, let me think. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be there. Yeah. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Same for the 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes at there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 3 because we have a double 1 here and a double 3 there. If I place a 1 or a 3 here, I cannot fill any 1 or any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. We solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.